Moirang MLA P. Saratan Hangleb MLA TT Hauke favored removal of Chief Minister Nongpong Biren, citing communication barrier under his leadership. Tussle over leadership posts among BJP MLAs intensify. 14 BJP MLAs want unprecedented action on assembly floor if current Chief Minister is not removed. And heavy rain pounds Mumbai and its surrounding areas overnight, killing at least 27 people, flooding airport and paralyzing local trains. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I'm Ibetwe Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Some BJP MLAs have started expressing their opinion in favor of replacing Chief Minister Nongpong Biren, despite government's effort to hide the controversy over leadership post. In an exclusive interview with News 18, MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra and MLA Hangleb TT Hauke opined that the two-year-old BJP government has failed to fulfill its various promises made to people in rural areas of the state due to miscommunication and misunderstanding among the state leaders. MLA P. Sarat stated that the present BJP-led coalition state government is just for namesake, as there is no proper communication among the MLAs, ministers and the Chief Minister. He also mentioned that even the alliance of the BJP-led state government, the NPF and the NPP do not want the government to be headed by Chief Minister N. Biren anymore. Mentioning that 14 BJP MLAs support the move for change of the current Chief Minister, MLA P. Sarat stated that only 7 BJP MLAs, including the Chief Minister, are left on the other side. MLA TT Hauke asserted that the Chief Minister of Manipur needs to be changed as there is discontentment in the existing governance led by N. Biren. He condemned that the present Chief Minister announced various packages worth crores of rupees for Hill District but never materialized his promise.
On record, we have 14 BJP MLAs supporting the move for change of leadership, which means only 7 has been left, including the Chief Minister on the other side of the coin. There is a very serious problem of disconnect because we are facing problem of connecting the MLAs with the Minister, the Chief Minister with the ministers and the MLAs, and that way the government has become perfunctory. We have apprised them of the challenges we are facing today. It's not. One should be very clear that we are not agitating against anybody. We are only filing a report stating the facts of the matter. So therefore, based on the facts of the matter and immediately after meeting all the central leaders and including the central leaders here,
the Chief Minister needs to be changed as because the governance we are not satisfied. And he's not taking the views of his fellow legislators nor the ministers. Whatever he thinks, he will carry out.
Tussle among Chief Minister Nongpong Biren, IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit and other BJP ministers and MLAs over leadership posts remains unabated, even though they have denied time and again the existence of any such dispute over the post. According to a reliable source, 14 state BJP MLAs who are camping in New Delhi to meet BJP central leaders have warned to take unprecedented action on the floor of the upcoming monsoon assembly session if the current Chief Minister is not replaced. It further stated that the decision was taken during a confidential meeting attended by 3 ministers, 1 MP and 11 MLAs in New Delhi a few days ago. BJP central leaders are expected to come up with a definite resolution regarding the matter in a couple of days. Akomlup Kanglei Park held its 19th Foundation Day observance at Laisram Khulem Laikai Community Hall in Nauremthong, Laisram Lairak near Imphal West DC today. Speaking in the event, President in charge of Akomlup Kanglei Park Sanjit Suraisam condemned the present government for ignoring people's plight in their tussle for leadership post. He also condemned the central government for its indifference towards the people of Manipur. Leaders of various CSO groups of both hills and valley regions of the state attended the event.
Tongan hiram kaya da sothariba se Indiana ekhoida yengliba miyeng asi karamba wakhallo no haibasi ekhoida phawdaba nate hojik oiriba phibam asida ekhoida nungnangba phawriba si tungda kari oirakadagi haibasi yamna chauna nungnangba adugumba nungaitaba wakhalon aduni hojik leiriba chiriba tanja ILP gi KF gi changjaliba mayam ama citizenship amendment bill gi matang haiba tare ado sigumba sing asida hena wakhan thadada phamnaibagi phamdon bagi tanaba khoi mana pamba phamunabagi asida changjanbasidi akungmu kangai pangna nungai aduna masi yam thuna lotion birakanda laibaki oi khunai sigi oiba awatpa ahoba leiriba sing asida hena puning changal kanda khunai asibu awonba khunai ama afaba mangjil thaba khunai ama ohenbadana hena mai pakani.
5 chairpersons and 18 corporators of Imphal Municipal Corporation have demanded replacement of IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar for alleged misappropriation of funds. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area, corporator of IMC Ward Number 3, Nutan Chandra condemned IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar for tarnishing IMC with his alleged corrupted activities. He mentioned that revenues collected from IMC parking lots reached around 20 lakh rupees previously, but it is difficult to reach even 2 lakh rupees at present. Nutan Chandra criticized the IMC mayor for allowing to set up over 100 parking lots against the rule allowing only 23 parking lots under the corporation. He alleged that Mayor Lokeshwar collected around 1 crore rupees from 380 vendors of Khwairamba market on the pretext of providing them vendor cards. Corporator Nutan Chandra warned that the 18 corporators will carry out intense agitation until the mayor resigns from his post.
Committee chairperson Nipal lebada manga ma ikoi group tawra ikoi yaure ha ngasi ikoi try pana puksen khoijin tina adhadi nai dana ikoi masena ngasi chapyung na ikoi ngasi masi lothok taba yadi hadna no contest motion tang control ta thaki basida ikoi na pali sarkar sida ikoi hambal appeal da tawjani athuba matamda parja singi amadi himai bill singi amadi corporation gi khanbi haraga ikoi no confidence motion gi order se khatru thopi haraga athuba matana vote of confidence sign se ikoi pina biu haibo afam ji thamjaraga matung tara pada ikoi thoina wai kun tawjaro aduna pangan ngangoi afam si topi
Youth Model Club Harauro clarified that no developmental works was ever initiated nor there was any announcement of upcoming projects under MP Local Area Development Scheme MP-LADS by MP cum President of BJP Manipur Pradesh K.S. Bhavananda at Harauro in Imphal East. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, club advisor N. Dizen stated that after the recent claims by some self-styled beneficiary committee of failure to begin works after sanction of large amount of fund under MP-LADS, the same committee today announced on some local dailies that site for certain developmental project has been shifted to Walker due to interference by locals of Harauro. He asserted that there was no hindrance given by the local residents whatsoever. Taking part in the press meet, Secretary of Village Development Committee Harauro and Funindro stated that the beneficiary committee mentioned in some local delis is not based in Harauro. He also mentioned that no animal shelter was ever constructed in Harauro under MP-LADS. Funindro stated if any such development projects were taken in the village, MP Bhavananda should be willing to come down in the village and inspect the sites along with the villagers.
Huran Randa, Lona Tumna program Hapamba, Tabak Sungchok Dogdana, Tabak Taure, Hajanba, program du Tigat Uragana, program du Wakado Honge, Haiwapam Je, Masi, Laipaki, Mapi Mapa, Oina, Manipur State, Asigi, BJP ki personnel amoina, Asigumba Beneficiary Committee Yauri Bamioi, Singda, Sini Haidana, Malik Chumna Sengdoktana, Kabargi Tonga, Sengdok Pirak Bibasi, Manuaite, Atumatamda, MP Babanda Masamakna, Irekai Kung Harao ki Praja Singi Yangaga, Asigumba Tabasi, Hongtok Onjin Tauba, Aduga Sare Hari Policy, Amuta Lapiu, Aduga Yangminasi.
Imphal West District Commando team conducted cordon and search operations at Naganala, Sani Mandir and Kuyatong areas today. The team led by additional SP Operation Imphal West A Ghanashyam carried out the drive from 3:40 p.m. till 4:35 p.m. and verified 170 individuals. 11 individuals without proper identification documents were picked up during the drive and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. A team of Thoubal police yesterday apprehended 3 miscreants who allegedly tried to break into Manipur State Cooperative Bank ATM booth located at Thoubal Bazaar on June 30. The miscreants are identified as 28-year-old Thingu Zambon, son of T.H. Kalachan from Thoubal Kiam Mayai Lekai, 27-year-old MD Salim, son of MD Alauddin from Tulihal Awang Lekai, and 32-year-old Okram Herojit, son of late Okram Kumar from Ningombam Thongju Lekai. Police has registered a case against the miscreants and investigations are underway. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on over heavy rain in Mumbai and its surrounding areas that has claimed 27 lives so far. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You are watching Primetime English News. 27 people were killed as heavy rain pounded Mumbai and its surrounding areas overnight, flooding the airport and paralyzing local trains, the lifeline of India's commercial capital. The city received the heaviest rain over a 24-hour period in a decade. The Weather Office has sounded a red alert for Mumbai today. Warning of more rain, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis was seen monitoring the situation from the Mumbai Civic Body's control room. The Indian Navy has deployed several teams to assist the civic body to help people stranded in flooded areas. Several suburban and long-distance trains have been cancelled after railway tracks were flooded. 52 flights have been cancelled and 54 diverted because a SpiceJet plane that skidded last night while landing in rain has forced a shutdown of the main runway at the airport. Amid prediction of heavy rain today, Maharashtra has declared a public holiday in Mumbai and adjoining Thane, with Chief Minister Fadnavis urging people to stay indoors unless absolutely necessary. The state government said that barring emergency services, all government offices will remain closed in Mumbai today. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU extended financial assistance to surviving family members of late Joseph Jote, who was the co-editor of the Hum Samnatar Daily. AMJU team led by Vice President of AMJU S. Bakul Jao handed over the assistance to late Joseph Jote's wife. Members of AMJU and Manipur Hills Journalists Union observed 2-minute silence as mark of respect to the departed soul on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Joseph Jote passed away on June 28 due to an illness at RIMS Hospital. The late journalist also worked for the Shanghai Express. Benches and desks funded by the Third State Finance Commission 2018-2019 were distributed to 60 schools under District Council Administration Chandel today. Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandel D. Ringo and many ADC members attended the distribution event held at MS Chaubi Sawmill Complex, Wabagai, Lamkai. Headmasters and headmistresses received the school furniture on behalf of their respective schools in the event. Vice Chairman of Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society cum Additional Chief Secretary Letkujin Haukip IAS discouraged people from giving undue felicitation of successful students of board examination as it bears negative impact on the students. He opined that it would be better to stop the culture of felicitating successful students of class 10 and 12 board examinations until they become successful individuals in life. Letkogen Hauki was speaking in the felicitation of successful students in BOSEM Class 10 and COSEM Class 12 examination 2019 who underwent 6 months remedial coaching under CM Larik Yengminasi program 2018 organized by the MOBEDS. Speaking in the event held at Hotel Classic today, Letkogen Hauki stated that success in Class 10 and 12 examination is no guarantee for success in life. He maintained that though these examinations are crucial, these exams are not the end of the world. Director of Welfare of OBC and SC NG Vogendra, Education as Additional Director CA Sachi and MOBEDS Director NG Uttam were present on the occasion.
Felicitation to Kansida, Makoina Kangadabase, Kangadabase, Ikogi Madam Sachin Haibagumna. Nokoi hold the night even. Like Hayami Mayam Hairagani, a card to a military certificate Kapangani, Aroi with the nung me or hold Radi, Karikana Brene. Felicitation to say, Adubo, to vivo coinaso, Kang Ho got the body. My Punsido, Lady Vanilla, Mana to good about. Mami or get about Mapomdo yo drip powdy. A chumamak felicitation said to Roy Devon.
15 Lies from Dhani Laima Ningsing Award 2019 was accorded to top scorers of Meitei Mayek subject in the recent IHS-LC examination conducted by BOSEM. LG Rose Garden Urembam organized the event at Rose Garden. Head of RIM Psychiatry Department, Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin, Padmasri awardee in the field of herbal science, L. Nabakisore, and editor of Poknafam Daily, G. Robindro, graced the event. 11 students were felicitated on the occasion. Directorate of Research, Central Agriculture University, KAU, in association with All India Coordinated Research Project Mango, organized the first state-level Mango Diversity Fair, KAU 2019, at KAU campus in Iroisemba today. Speaking in the event, Vice-Chancellor of KAU, Professor M. Premzid, urged everyone to work hard to stop being over-dependent on outsiders. He also mentioned that the event aimed to promote local mangoes to boost farmers' income. 50 farmers from across the state exhibited 50 variety of mangoes on the occasion.
अकोई नॉर्थ का नॉर्दर्न हाइतारे बर्मा हाइतारे सिदगी अकोई हाइनौसी ओरिजिन है नौसी कराइदा थाबना मणिपुर की करम जगह ना द खने हन पकनगे आइदसु साइंटिस्ट ने येंबियो किनिंग थौनी हाइरे करी दमक फ्रूट किनिंग थौनो हाइदा मनम दे आइ मोतदी मसी विटामिन ए यामना यावबा मिनरल यामना यावबा अदु ना मनम यामना हाइली नसैगी हेल्थ काना बदुगुंबा फ्रूट ओइबनेना मजिदा पीबराइना खंजै.
Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital at Komba Khetri Leka, Imphal East held its 12th Foundation Day today. A book written by Secretary of the hospital, Dr. K. Basanta, titled Hakchang Fana Lainaba Amasung Hidak Sijinnadana Layengba was released in the event. Head of the Department of English Modern College, Dr. Chingtham Rita, introduced the book. Speaking in the event, Dr. K. Basanta invited feedbacks and suggestions on his book. Individuals in the field of nature, cure and yoga, writers and many eminent persons were present on the occasion.
Hidak yaudun layang bagi system je ini pamjaba gandhi thot se yamna samna layang baya ba haksang phanna ba hona basida nature cure ke so thodang lei hai bisi mayam da khanganing ba adu hojiki matam da tawriba mayam gi nature cure harga fashion lom da akhoi kan tawdra yamna nana sum layang ning bagi wakhallon khoi sendal lambi rom da chatpase nattabada masa masa yum da masana tandraga de na ba se layang je ba yai phan ba yai hai bisi ai takchening ba.
Com Community's first ever exclusive Com Impact TV program was launched today. Com Impact TV Program Committee along with Com Union Manipur organized a launching event at Lower Khaira village in Churachandpur district. Members of ADC Churchandpur, Pu M. Chungpa, Editor-in-Chief of Impact News, Rupachandra Yumnam, President of Editors Guild Manipur, Khogendra Khomdram, and Chairman of Lower Kairal Village Authority, Pu S. Ason Khom were present in the launch. Com Impact TV will telecast various programs based on the art and culture of Com community and trending news amongst others to give a new experience to viewers. Manipur Electricity Employees Union in a press release urged the relevant authority to release the due salaries of MSPDCL and MSPCL from March to June, latest by July 10. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Moirang MLA P. Sarad and Hanglep MLA TT Hauke favored removal of Chief Minister Nongkuman Biren, citing communication barrier under his leadership. Special over leadership posts among BJP MLAs intensify. 14 BJP MLAs want unprecedented action on assembly floor if current Chief Minister is not removed. And heavy rain towns Mumbai and its surrounding areas overnight, killing at least 27 people, flooding airport and paralyzing local trains.